How can I delete iPhone messages without the other person knowing?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many iPhone users have wondered about: how to delete iPhone messages without the other person knowing. While it's important to note that you can't control what happens on the other person's device, you can certainly manage your own. Let's jump right into it.
What happens when you delete a message?
First off, let's clarify what happens when you delete a message on your iPhone. When you delete a message, it removes it from your device. However, this action does not affect the message on the other person's device. They still have their copy unless they choose to delete it.
How can you delete messages on your iPhone?
Now, let's go through the steps to delete messages on your iPhone. 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. 2. Select the conversation that includes the messages you want to delete. 3. Within the conversation, long press on the specific message you want to delete. 4. A pop-up menu will appear. Select More. 5. Select the checkbox beside the messages you want to delete. 6. Tap on the trash icon at the bottom left of your screen. 7. Finally, confirm by pressing Delete Message. This will delete the selected messages from your iPhone.
Can I prevent the other person from seeing a message?
Unfortunately, once a message has been sent and delivered, there is no way to delete it from the recipient's device without their knowledge. iMessage does not currently support message recall or deletion on the recipient's end. So, always think before you text, as you can't retract the message once it's sent. In conclusion, while you can control and delete the messages from your own iPhone, you cannot delete them from the other person's device without their knowledge. It's always a good idea to carefully consider what you're texting before hitting send, as there's no way to recall a sent message. Thanks for tuning in to our tutorial. We hope it was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, text responsibly.